Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. It's me, Ruksad Nagra. Today I'm gonna unbox this little security camera which is I bought myself for the garden security and can be used on the front. So let's see, I'm very excited to see this little product. So we're gonna start unbox this. So let's see what's in there. See, box look bit tight. We're gonna unbox this, so I'm gonna use a scissor to cut this through. I bought actually this from Amazon, so I thought let's try this product. It looked beautiful on the advert, so let me unbox. They've done very beautiful packing. It's not that easy to open. Okay, actually it's not easy. Oh my God. See, we open the box to the side of that. Let's see. Okay, that's the camera, and this is a dome security camera, TOGUARD AP50, beautifully packed. And we're gonna unbox this now to see what's in the package. Okay, so we're gonna try open it. It's got beautiful plastic packaging, which is look very nice. Okay, okay, there you go. That's the plastic off. So I'm gonna open this now. So let's see what's the beauty inside. It looks nicely packed. Okay, okay, that's the, it's got gift card, it's got, that's the TOGUARD. Basically they send you this card with this camera. If you have any problem, you can bring them up. That's nice. That's the little manual book. Look quite big. Look like all the option in there. That's nice. And these are the accessories for this camera. That's nice. That's the little charging cable. That's nice. Camera really look nice. Let's see. It's got quite heavy weight. I can let me carry out from the box. Okay. It's packed nicely. Oopsie. That's the mountain, I think. You can stick in the wall. That's nice. And that's the beauty of the camera. Look very nice. That's the USB charging. That's not nice. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and click the like button so I can bring more product for you guys and unbox it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.